आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
So here we are given with the question, in triangle ABC, angle B is equals to pi by 4, angle C is equals to pi by 6, D is a point on BC which divides it in the ratio of 1:2, 1:3. Angle DAB is equals to beta. Then we are given with the 4 options and we need to solve for them. Alright, so first of all, let us use this information to make a triangle, right? So I have already made a triangle which says A, B, C. Now they are saying that angle B is pi by 4. So let us mark this as pi by 4. Angle C is pi by 6. So this will be pi by 6. D is a point on BC which divides it in the ratio of 1:3. So let us take this point as D and it is dividing the line BC in the ratio of 1:3. 1:3. Right? So if we can say that the whole part for BC is 4 and this is the one part out of 4. 4 parts and this is the 3 parts out of 4 parts. All right, so if you can say that for length of BD, you can say that it is 1/4 of BC, and for length of CD or DC it is 3/4 of BC, right? So till now we have got this information from the given. This all scenario has been given to us in the question, and one more thing has they have given to us angle DAB. That means angle DAB. This angle is beta. So let us find the value for angle A first by using the angle sum property. So by using angle sum property, angle A will be equals to the sum of all the angles is equals to 180 degree, that means pi. So we need to find the value for angle A. Then pi minus angle B minus angle C. So what is the value for angle B? It is given as pi by 4, and for angle C it is given as pi by 6. So after solving this, we'll be getting 7 pi by 12. We'll be getting the value for angle A as 7 pi by 12. So now first of all, let's see the triangle again. This angle is 7 pi by 12. So if we take triangle ABD, this triangle, this first triangle, triangle ABD. So in this, if we want to apply the sine rule says that the ratio of the angle subtended at one angle, sine of angle subtended at one angle to the side of the to the opposite side will be equals to this angle subtended at sine of angle subtended by other vertex at other vertex to the ratio of the opposite sides, both are equal, right? So for applying in triangle ABD, we can say that by sine rule, sine beta upon 1/4 BC will be equals to sine pi by 4 upon AD. Let me show you once again that how I have written this expression, sine beta upon 1/4 BC. This is angle beta, so sine beta upon the side, What is the opposite side? It is BD. And what is the length of BD? It is 1 by 4 BC. So that's how I have write the LHS of the equation I have written. Now for the RHS, I have written sine pi by 4 upon AD. So sine pi by 4, this angle I have taken, this angle B, and this is the opposite side for that, which is AD. Sine pi by 4 upon AD. Similarly, if I need to apply the sine rule in this triangle ADC, so how can we write? We'll write this angle. So this angle will be equals to 7 pi by 12 minus beta. This angle will be equals to 7 pi by 12 minus beta, right? So sine of this angle upon, what is the opposite side? This is the opposite side. So what is its length? 3 by 4 BC. Sine of 7 pi by 12 minus beta upon 3 by 4 BC will be equals to sine of pi by 6. Sine of pi by 6. What is the opposite side? Upon AD. Right? So let's write that also. So this was in triangle ABD and in triangle ADC. We can write that sine 7 pi by 12 minus beta upon 3 by 4 of equals to sine pi by 6 upon AD. So we have equation 1 and equation 2. So let us divide these equations, dividing equation 1 and 2. So we'll be getting sine 7 pi by 12 minus beta upon sine beta equals to 3 root 2 upon 2. So after we have got this expression, we'll be doing, we can write this expression as sine pi minus 7 pi by 12 minus beta, because sine pi minus theta will be equals to sine theta only. So this will be written as sine pi minus 7 pi by 12 minus beta upon sine beta is equals to 3 root 2 upon 2. So now it will become sine 5 pi by 12 plus upon sine beta is equals to 3 root 2 by 2. So this can further be solved as, we can put the value, we can use the identity of sin A plus B here, sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. So sin A cos beta plus cos 5 pi by 12 into sin beta upon sin beta is equals to 3 root 2 by 2. So now after putting the value for this 5 pi by 12, we'll get the answer as, we'll get the whole answer as cot beta is equals to 4 root 3 minus 5. This can be easily solved by just putting the values. Alright, so cot beta we will be getting cot beta is equals to 4 root 3 minus 5. So now in triangle ABC, if we apply the sine rule here, by sine rule we will be getting AB upon sin pi by 6 is equals to AC upon sin pi by 4. Let us see in the diagram that if I have written it correctly or not. So I have written that AB upon sin pi by 6, that means this side upon the opposite angle, that is sin pi by 6, is equals to, I have written AC upon sin pi by 4. So it is also correct. So let us solve it further. So from here, if while putting the values of pi by 6 and pi by 4, we'll be getting the value as root 2AB is equals to AC. So from here now we need to modify this equation. So we can say that root 2, because in the options we need a sec, right? In the options we have seen that there is a trigonometric function called sec. So let us try to make this in sec and cot. So root 2 can be written as sec pi by 4 into AB, and here it is 1 only. So 1 can be written as cot pi by 4 into AC. So on further solving, let us mark this equation as equation 2 and the equation we have solved here, this equation, as equation 1. So let us multiply both these equations, multiplying 1 and 2. So I'll be getting sec pi by 4 a b cot beta minus cot pi by 4 AC 4 root 3 minus 5. So let us match this expression with the given expression. Sec pi by 4 AB cot beta, sec pi by 4 AB cot beta. This option 2 is
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।